Welcome back to Becky Cooks. First of all, I have my chicken here already washed and I'll be adding seasoning, thyme, curry powder, garlic and ginger paste and onions. Then I'm going to boil this in its own juice first, then later I go in with a little bit of water. These are the onions I'll be using for this recipe, apart from the one I'll be slicing into the oil. So when my chicken is fully cooked, I'll set it aside and add in oil to a dry pan and fry. So these are the pepper mix. This is shombo, tatashe and tomatoes and the onions. So I'm going to boil this down apart from the onion at first. So back to the chicken is properly fried now and I'm taking them out of the oil. So I'm going to boil this down till the water dries up. This will take a while actually, you just have to be patient to get your perfect texture and taste. So when it's boiled down very well, then I added in onion at that stage. Then it's fully dried out now. When you see that there's little to no water underneath, so that little water remaining can just help you to blend through. So I added in a little bit of ginger and garlic, and this is it. So red and smooth. I'm using 3 sachets of tomato paste. So to my hot oil, the oil I used to fry the chicken, I added extra. I added in bay leaf, onion, thyme and curry powder. I just stirred this a bit, and these are the seasoning cubes I'll be using. Then I added in the tomato paste and I'm going to stir this around to let it fry a bit for about 5 minutes until it loosens and it's no longer too thick and it's lighter and everything. So that I went in with the tomato mixture. Then I'm going to stir this until it's properly fried. I'll keep stirring at interval so it doesn't get burned underneath. So I added in a little bit of salt, and at this stage it's getting fried. You can see the difference. Then I'm going in with the seasoning cubes. Then the chicken stock. I rinse my blender. And a little bit of extra water. And that's all. Just let this boil down properly. And then you pour in your already fried chicken so that it's very juicy and it will not be too soft, it will just be okay. because you already fried it. So you have yourself a delicious pot of stew. Me that did not like eating stew with bread, I actually ate this with bread that night. Then you can use this to eat yam, anything, spaghetti, pasta, and of course your rice, your white rice. It was so delicious. I loved it so much. So give this a try and let me know what you think. And here is our delicious red chicken stew. So a little goes a long way, and you will not see water settling down underneath the plate while eating because it's well fried and it's well cooked. So this is the rest I'm storing in the freezer, and enjoy. Bye.